Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Also, please take time to click that bell icon just below for notifications. On the menu today, and as you can see here, we're going to make a really simple but absolutely delicious pasta with cream, tomatoes, chicken and spinach. Really doesn't take long, and like I say, it really is fabulous. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients we need. Okay, let's take a look at these ingredients then. So I've got some pasta here. I'm using a fusilli. You can use anything you want, tagliatelle, spaghetti, penne, up to you. Get that ready and cooked. That's all cooked there. As you can see, I've got equal parts of these three. So onions, I've cut them nice and small. Fresh tomatoes, again, nice and small. So there's like 2 medium onions there and like 2 large tomatoes, I think. Here I've got some spinach. Now our spinach is cooked already. Now you could be using frozen spinach or canned spinach if you want. This is fresh. If you're using fresh, always make sure that you wash it really nicely in some cold water. Get all them kind of bits of grit and mud off it. It can be very gritty otherwise. And then cooked, and then I just roughly chopped it. Here I've got chicken. I mean, in fact, all 4 of these are pretty much the same. Chicken breast, no skin, no bone, cut nice and thin. Here I've got some cream. You can use any type of cream you want, a thick cream, a thin cream, up to you. Garlic, like a large tablespoon of garlic, some oregano. We're going to start this off with some oil. We're going to add some salt and pepper. That's it. It's absolutely wonderful. Okay, so you need a pan of some sort and a lid. In here I've got some oil. I'm using a sunflower oil, but you could be using anything you want really. Let's start off by dropping in our garlic, roughly chopped. Quite a lot. Want that to be a big flavour in this. With that we're going to put the onions, quite a lot of onions. Use less if you want, but I think it makes a big difference in this. While I'm here, I'm just going to get some black pepper on the onions and garlic and some salt. And we want to go just for about 2 to 3 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. So that's just a couple of minutes, just bringing it together. We're now going to add in our chicken. Like I say, chicken breast with no skin, no bone, cut nice and thin. To that we're also going to add our spinach. And we're going to throw this around for about 3 to 4 minutes this time. Give it a stir every now and then. Garlic, onions, spinach, chicken, all coming together really nicely. We're now going to drop in that herb of our choice today, which is oregano. Think about basil or a mixed Italian herb type thing. If you wanted, a little bit of chili flakes, some cayenne pepper, if you want to give it a little spice. We're now going to drop in our tomatoes. Try and use a nice juicy tomato. Nice ripe juicy tomato. We're going to add a little splash of water, not too much at all. I'm going to pop a lid on this now, and we're going to let that go for about 5 minutes. Okay, let's jump inside, take a look. Let me get some steam out there for you. Those tomatoes are cooking down really nicely. Still got a little bit of moisture there. What we're going to do now is add our cream. Like I say, you can use a thick cream, a runny cream. Will make no difference really. In that goes. Give that a little mix. If you wanted, add some Parmesan cheese in here now, or another cheese. It's looking great. And with the heat still on, mixing away, let's drop in our cooked pasta. In that goes. Let's run some heat through this pasta. We want that sauce all over there. So I'm going to keep going for a few more seconds doing this, and I'll see you at the table. Okay, and there we go. Really simple, really delicious. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please take time to click that bell icon just below for notifications. We will see you soon. Enjoy that. Lots of love.